Well, welcome back to the channel, Ron. Today we're going to be working on a little toy minivan. I don't actually have one of these to show because the last few that I've built, I've actually given them away. So just picture that there's some wheels on this this pattern minivan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this more of an adult version minivan. And what I mean by that is I'm actually going to put some antennas on here. I don't generally put the antennas on the toys if I'm going to be giving them to a little one or so, just because we don't want them chewing them on. And also the little mirrors as well. Usually I just put the wheels on and call it good. So I think I'm going to put the antennas on this. I'm not sure if I'm going to put a visor on this minivan or not. I don't really want to look more like a truck. I want it to look more like the minivan. I am going to alter the tires like I normally do. So the tires that I usually have on here, I'm going to kind of put them on the lathe and bring those down a little bit. And I'm thinking I am going to put the spare tire on the back to kind of make it a little tougher than a normal minivan, but still trying to stay in the minivan category. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do yet with the bumper on the front or back. I may put one on there, I may not, but definitely we're going to put the headlights and tail lights in, and we should be good to go. All right, let's go ahead and get started. There it is. Usually I'm telling you that I'm real happy with the outcome of the toy truck, but I'm not going to lie to you, I'm not happy with this one at all. I've got a couple of things that I'm not happy with. First of all, I think I made the wheels a bit smaller than I should have. Second of all, it looks more like a bunny rabbit than it does a toy truck. Not that there's anything wrong with the bunny rabbit, I just don't like the looks of it. Then third, when I went to put the polyurethane on the unit itself, the truck itself, in my paint booth I had painted something black at one time, so the polyurethane was actually pulling some of the black paint off the base of my paint booth and putting it on the wheels. And at that point I was kind of frustrated with the way it was coming out anyway, so I went ahead and just finished it, and then here it is. So it's done. It's going to serve the purpose of just something to put in my collection, but if I do this again, I'm going to change the size of the wheels, maybe put the spare tire on the top, maybe even go ahead and put the visor in there, because it's just something about this I do not like. So, well, thanks for hanging in there with me, and we'll stay tuned for the next one.